Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today we are obviously inside my car, and that's because I'm talking to you about a really awesome car accessory by Polynex. This is the Polynex wireless CarPlay adapter. Now, this is for cars that have CarPlay built in, but it's wired CarPlay. Every time you get in your car, you got to pull your phone out of your pocket and plug it in order to use CarPlay. This allows you to turn that from wired CarPlay into wireless CarPlay. And there are a lot of these adapters on the market, but this one from Polynex is a step above the rest. First of all, let's talk about design. It is a beautiful design, really nice. Now, this is made of aerospace grade aluminum alloy, and that allows it to be really strong as well as really heat resistant, so that it'll last long time and will not degrade over time like maybe some of the plastic ones would. Besides being made of aluminum alloy, though, on the front and the back, it has this tempered glass. So it's really a beautiful device, very premium looking device. Behind that tempered glass is just a slight pattern that just looks great. On one side, you've got the Polynex logo. On the other side, you've got a little Polynex LED logo that lights up when it's getting power, so you know that it's working, getting power. Also, you have this nice nylon braided cord, no plastic cord here, nice nylon cord. On the end of that is a USB, but in the package they also include a USB to USB Type-C adapter so that it will work with any car. They do also include a little adhesive strip that you can use to attach this somewhere if you need or want to do that. But really beautiful design. Now on the inside, this is equipped with Wi-Fi 6 dual band, so 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, as well as Bluetooth 5.4. Now, what does that mean for you? What that means is this is going to connect quickly, really fast connection, and reliable, stable connection. That's the most important thing, especially if you're using a wired to wireless adapter. You want it to connect quickly. When you get in your car, you start your car, you want your phone to connect quickly, and you want to make sure that it's going to be a stable connection and able to carry the data so that your experience using CarPlay is exactly the same as it would be if it were wired. And this, having the Wi-Fi 6 with the dual band capability, gives you that feature. So anyway, that's enough about the sets and the design. Let's talk about setup. Setup is very easy. All you have to do is plug it into the USB or USB-C port that supports CarPlay on your car, and you'll see it'll pop up on your screen. You'll have the connection. It'll give you the name of the connection on the screen. Then inside your phone, you're going to see a request to pair or connect to that. You're going to pair to that. Once you pair to that, your phone should ask you something about enabling CarPlay for this device, and you're going to say, yes, I want to enable CarPlay. Go ahead and give it all the permissions it needs, and then it's going to connect. Once it connects, you are now connected to CarPlay wirelessly, which is awesome. Okay, so now that we've got everything set up, here's the real test, is how quickly does the phone connect to the wireless CarPlay? Is it a fast connection? So I'm going to start my car up, and of course, first my car system has to boot up. That's my car infotainment system has to kind of get up and running. Once it gets up and running, then the phone should connect to the CarPlay. There you go. You can see right now, this is a smart dongle. That's the Polynex smart dongle. And right here, it's already connected. That's how quickly the Polynex is able to connect to your phone. Once you've got that connection established, now you get in your car, your phone is in your pocket, you don't even have to take it out of your pocket, but you've got CarPlay fully available to you. Now, in order to get the apps that you want to show and the ones you don't want to not show, you have to go into settings on your iPhone and go into CarPlay settings, and then choose the smart dongle, the Polynex smart dongle, and then you can remove or add the apps that you want to display. I've set mine up for how I want mine to display, including widgets. If we go over here to widgets, this is really cool. You can use Gemini. So I learned you can't do the talk back and forth with Gemini, but you can just do the microphone with Gemini. The talk back and forth doesn't work because it keeps hearing sounds in your car and think you're talking. But just the ask a question you can use, which is really cool, and it just all works great. Maps works great. Your music, like if you're listening to music, everything works exactly the way as it did when you were wired, except now no wire. Phone can be in your pocket. You don't have to worry about it. You just have access to everything that you have in CarPlay, but now wirelessly. And what's excellent is that with the Polynex wireless CarPlay, you get an instant wireless connection. You don't no longer have to be digging your phone out of your pocket. There are some settings you can change inside of CarPlay, mostly just like display type things and wallpaper and things like that. And then some things you have to go into the settings of CarPlay on your phone. But again, all of that is the same with any CarPlay. The Polynex just gives you that wired connection, and what's most important is that it's giving you a fast connection, and then the device itself with that aluminum alloy and then the tempered glass also looks great. So everything that you would want in a wireless CarPlay adapter, you're getting with the Polynex CarPlay adapter. And just to show you that everything works exactly the same as if you were wired, hey Siri, what's the date today?
It's Saturday, the 25th of October, 2025.
Hey Siri, send a text message to Google Voice.
What would you like to say to Google V?
Hey, what's up?
Sending. Hey, what's up?
So you can see this wireless CarPlay adapter from Polynex, really awesome product. Again, premium design, aluminum alloy materials, and then tempered glass on the front and back. So looks great, but most importantly, works great. Super fast connection once you've got it set up. Now you have CarPlay. Now you get in your car, you start your car up, your phone connects to this automatically without even having to take it out of your pocket, and you've got CarPlay going. Really, that's what you want. You want something that looks good and that is high quality, and also, most importantly, something that's going to give you a fast, reliable connection every time you get in your car. And this wireless CarPlay from Polynex does exactly that, and that's why this is a product I would definitely recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those words are down there. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.